Hi Ed, it's just a quick recording in reply to your email. So great to be doing this. I just wanted to say thank you for this wonderful course. This training is really fantastic. So what modules have I completed so far? I've actually completed the offer codex and making sales, and now going through the resource 9.0, and I must say this is really great. I'm learning so much, not even just about how to make the sales, but in the resource section, you're actually going into talking about how to set up your coaching services, the way to sort of structure it. That's fantastic. I mean, for me, that seems like it's the missing piece of the puzzle, and I'm glad that I joined. The entire clients on automation piece. So thank you for that. What constraints am I experiencing at the moment? I would say right now I'm in the middle of doing so many things. So time really is the constraints that I have. But then I also understand that when things are important, you sort of try to make time for them. I'm in the middle of selling my business, and I'm also in the middle of running two consultancy engagement that needs to be delivered, and also running my coaching services. So it's like like an octopus. I'm here, there, everywhere. But the idea is to consolidate everything I'm doing and put that into the coaching and take the coaching business to the next level. I mean, that's why we're here, to add value, to contribute our own parts to the society, what in whichever way we can do, and that's is done through coaching. So thank you very much. I've done my very quick recording now. You take care, have fun, and hopefully I'll see you on one of the clinics. Bye for now.